Sam Bankman-Fried petitions court to prioritize reimbursing his legal fees. FTX legal counsel requested insurers to advance or reimburse Bankman-Fried's defense costs and fees under the company's directors and officers insurance. Sam Bankman-Fried is seeking to use FTX insurance policies to cover his legal expenses, according to a court filing on March 15. The former FTX CEO's legal counsel requested in a motion to permit insurers to advance or reimburse his defense costs and fees under directors and officers (D&O) insurance policies held with Realm Insurance and Beasley Insurance. As per the filing, the policies provide priority of payment to individual insureds with unindemnified loss like Mr. Bankman-Fried, meaning the former CEO would be on top of the FTX payout list. The filing read, in part, "Based on the foregoing, Mr. Bankman-Fried submits that ample cause exists to lift and modify the automatic stay to allow Realm and Beasley to a. reimburse Mr. Bankman-Fried for covered defense costs that have already been incurred under the D&O policies and b. advance future covered defense costs unless and until the defense costs no longer qualify as non-indemnifiable losses under the terms of the D&O." According to Investopedia, directors and officers' liability insurance intends to protect individuals from personal losses if they are sued as a result of serving as a director or an officer of a business or other type of organization, including covering legal fees and other costs as a result of a suit. Responses or objections to the motion must be filed by March 29, 2023. If required, a hearing will be held on April 12, 2023, at the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware. If no responses or objections are filed, Bankman-Fried asks the court to grant the relief request without further notice. Bankman-Fried's counsel noted that there are multiple criminal, regulatory, insolvency-related and civil actions involving the former CEO, including 1 criminal proceeding, 3 federal and state regulatory proceedings, and 5 insolvency-related proceedings, as well as 7 legal actions. On February 23, Bankman-Fried was charged on 4 new criminal counts by a federal judge presiding over his case, totaling 12 criminal charges against him, including 8 conspiracy charges related to fraud, as well as 4 charges of wire fraud and securities fraud. His legal costs are estimated to be in the 9-figure range. Cointelegraph previously reported that law firms, investment banks and consulting companies working with FTX on its bankruptcy case billed the crypto exchange a combined $34.18 million in January. FTX Chief Restructuring Officer and new CEO, John J. Ray III, also received a substantial salary, charging $1,300 an hour, amounting to a total of $305,000.